We are working it today with Andy Challenger, Challenger Gray and Christmas, here to talk about retail. What a tough sector. Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
So a lot of retailers shutting down. We're seeing more than expected, I think.
Yeah, despite the glowing job numbers we've seen, despite the longest expansion in American history that keeps being touted, there are certainly industries that are contracting, and retail continues to be the top one. As we move away from brick and mortar to e-commerce, we've seen the largest number of store closures in the first half of the year, up above 7,000, and with that has come about 53,000 job cuts.
That's a lot of jobs. So what are the people to do who are in this area? Because a lot of people like retail.
Yeah, it's a difficult situation. I think it's important to highlight the real pain and suffering that goes along with these job losses. Oftentimes, those positions that are being lost, the stores that are closed, are outside major urban areas. The new jobs that are being hired within retail are in warehouses and in the back-end operations, but they tend to be in different areas and require different skill sets.
Right. Some retailers, including the big box stores, seem to be doing okay. They're holding their own, at least, because places like Walmart, Macy's, Lowe's, those stores closed fewer than 25 stores. And there are some store openings as well to talk about.
Yes, certainly. Right. It is the longest expansion in American history. Wages have been slowly rising. People have more money in their pockets. And so the money being spent within retail is not flagging. And there's certainly a lot of players, especially Amazon, that has been taking advantage of this.
And you did mention warehouse jobs still being a bright spot in the economy.
Yeah, certainly there's an arms race in some ways to hire more and more people that know how to operate warehouses, that are working in it, putting boxes on the tractors and making sure they get delivered to you in a very short period of time.
Taking a look at productivity losses, though, for companies as employees are doing some of this shopping on the job during Prime days. What do you think?
There are some estimates that say lost productivity could reach $10 billion in lost wages paid to employees that are doing something other than work.
Thanks for coming on our show. We're still working.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.